Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear Muslims. Alhamdulillah, about 2 weeks ago, I was in Detroit for a presentation. The topic was Meet Your Muslim Neighbors. Many non-Muslims came there and they interacted with the Muslims who were present there. They ate with us, they socialized with us, and they listened to the presentation on Islam. Now, after the presentation, we asked the audience, the non-Muslims, so what is your feedback? What did you learn today? So one lady, she took the mic and she said, after listening to the Islam presentation, after learning about Islam, meeting the Muslims, now I'm more motivated to go home and read the Quran. The Quran that we read, the Quran that we enjoy and benefit from, it just does not only belong to us. It does not belong to Indian Pakistanis or the Arabs or Africans. Quran came as a guidance for all of humanity. And we are the ones Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has chosen and honored us. So we can take the message, the guidance, the solutions of the Quran to humanity. So I have the great honor and the great pleasure to announce the coming of Gain Peace to Colorado. Inshallah, working together with the CMCC Masjid, working together with many masajis and with the wonderful individuals, the Muslims up there. Inshallah, we can enhance our open houses. We can enhance our new Muslim programs. We can enhance our dawah techniques. So we can train ourselves how to break the ice, how to explain Islam, how to respond to tough questions. Any and all of these things, inshallah, once we work together, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to put more barakah in the efforts. He is going to open more doors for us, inshallah. So I hope and pray that may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala join our hearts, join our minds with the single purpose to only please Him. And we hope and pray that may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us effective ambassadors of Islam, not just to the people of Colorado, but to all of humanity. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.